I'm checking the street. There's what is the name of the street again?
Bab el Mandeb Strait?
Bab el Mandeb, the strait between Djibouti and Yemen. We are almost passing the narrowest point. So probably we will be there when it's dark. And as we have a little improvised high pressure oil hose, I'm not very confident about the engine.
But we have been lucky. All the time downwind sailing. Like 5 knots average, I think.
We are right now in the narrow passage, and the wind is still very good. I think about 20 knots, and it's still going strong.
What is our speed?
We go 5.5 to 6 knots.
Wow,
that's nice. There's a container ship next to us, and the next one is coming in about 1 hour, so we have a freeway. And it's not too small, it's not too narrow, there's space to pass and everything. So it's time to make a turn a little bit to the left, because the channel is going to the left. But as we make the turn, we need to jibe as well, so let's do it. Okay. Let me see. Responds a little bit higher. With this strong wind, it's a little bit tricky to jibe, but I think it's alright. Yes. Perfect. We're doing not too bad. The wind is strong here. Very strong. So now we have to follow this course for about 10 to 15 miles, and then we go right in the direction of Djibouti. So if everything goes as expected, then we will arrive tomorrow, maybe in the afternoon in the marina. Or at the anchorage. It's an anchorage, right? Where we go.
Yeah.
So
I think it's time for me to go and sleep, right?
Oh yeah, that's good. It's
7 maybe?
7 o'clock. Yeah, that's a good time to start sleeping.
Yeah, we need to make the most of every hour that the sun is down, because in the daytime it's just too hot to sleep. So every dark hour we need to use. So I think I'm going to try if I can sleep a bit.
Yes.
Yeah.
Have a good night.
I don't think you will sleep a lot during this watch, right?
I don't know, it's a little bit hectic indeed. So I think I'll just stay on watch.
Good. Good luck.
Sleep well.
Yes.
It is morning now. We had quite a few sleep this night, and we hope to arrive in the afternoon, but the wind turned against us, and it's now coming right from the direction where we want to go. So if the wind stays like this, it will take about twice the time, so we will arrive only tomorrow. But first we have to solve a little problem. In the night they got a rope stuck in the furling system in the top. So that's the system that makes our front sail turning. Because we were turning from sails, from like the Genoa, the front sail, to storm jet, because it was strong wind. But now a rope got stuck there, and we cannot use both of them, and we have to go into the wind. So we need the sails. So guess what's the solution? It's not a very pleasant idea now with this.
Whoa!
What? water coming in and waves and everything. Okay, but we'll have to do it.
Oh!
So we go with the wind, so it's a little more calm. And I'll go. Wish me luck. Ah, it's already loose.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's easy.
Ah, that's delightful. Very good. So now we can hoist the stern jib. Let's do it.
That saves you some stressful moments in the mast.
Yeah. So that was kind of lucky, wasn't it? It was. I played a little bit with the ropes and I got loose. So I'm very happy. Now I don't have to climb up in the mast, and we are sailing already into the wind. Alright, the weather has settled a bit. It was rough and we couldn't get the right direction, so it were uncomfortable hours. But now we are aiming straight towards the marina of Djibouti, about 30 miles to go. And we want to check the engine, because I already shortly mentioned that we had emergency repair, because one of the oil hoses is bursted. It's the pressure hose that goes from the pump to the cooling system. So I tried to fix it with silicone and iron wire and rope and everything. So it's a little bit tricky, but we have to test it before we really use it to enter into the marina. So this is a good moment. It's a little bit calm, and let's do it. And are you ready?
Yep. There you go.
What was that?
I don't know. Yeah, it's not leaking?
I don't see leaking. You see pressure?
Yeah.
So the engine works, and we are slowly but surely going to reach Djibouti, maybe 10 miles to go. Yeah, we are really tired now after this trip, and especially after some nights of few sleep. We are in Djibouti already quite a while, as you might know. When we arrived at the anchorage, we saw nobody, so we went to shore, and there we got well, held back, or what is it, stopped, because we first needed the corona test and the visa, but it was not very organized, so it took about a week to get those things. And now we are in the marina, and that took another few days, but we are in a good spot, so no complaints. We will stay here at least for the month August, because the weather won't be good in this month to continue. And next week we will post 2 videos about Djibouti, so Monday and Thursday. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you Monday. Peace out.